Hey everyone, I'm Michael Rogers with Justin Dorsey Plumbing, and I want to thank you again for watching our Ask the Plumber series, a series of videos where we try to answer questions that you may have about common plumbing issues or concerns around your house. Well, today we're going to talk about septic systems. So if you live in town, this probably isn't for you, but if you live out in the country and you have your own on-site wastewater treatment system or a septic system, this one's for you. The number one question that I get is, how often do I need to have my septic pumped, or do I need to have it pumped at all? The short answer for that is that most local health departments recommend you having your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years. But to get more into that, I thought we'd take a look inside, because another question I have is, what's it look like inside my tank? What should the water level be? Different things like that. So let's look inside your tank. Now here on site, I have two different risers. One's this big green riser, it's over the outlet. That black riser is kind of over the middle. You may have one that looks like either of those. Sometimes there's no riser at all. When we look down inside on this green one, we take the lid off. There's a safety catch inside here, and that's just in case the lid gets taken off. There's a second layer of protection so that no children or animals or anything falls down inside. And when we look down in here, we see that we have the water level. It's about 8 inches from the top, and that's where it should be all the time. It's a good, healthy septic system right here. We can see the water moving, and this has been pumped recently, so there's no need to pump this septic system or the septic tank right now. It's looking like it's in good shape. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, we'd love to help you out. You can call our office and set up an appointment. And you can also go to our website, which is justindorseyplumbing.com. There you'll find our blog, which answers a lot of other questions, and even our other videos for Ask the Plumber. So I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.